Want to know how I made this wreath candelabra? Keep watching for the full video. First, buy a plain wreath. That's what I did. I went straight to Michael's and bought this wreath for $2.99. Then, obviously, buy things to decorate it. I purchased 2 Plaid balls from Hobby Lobby that have stems, so it'll make it easy just to wrap the stems around the core and I don't need to hot glue anything. Now, if you're hanging this up, which I'm not, mine will be placed on the table, then you would probably want to use hot glue. But since I'm just wrapping the stems around the core, it should be no problem for me. For this wreath candelabra project, I'm laying this on my living room table so I don't see gravity being a problem. I only have these 2 bulbs on my wreath because I really didn't want to put more. I didn't want to overdo it with the plaid on the wreath, but I also didn't want to add in a lot of other extra things. I kind of wanted it to be minimal with just a little bit. For me, this works, even though it may look odd to some. But if you want more, definitely get more. Hot glue it down if you want, or just tie them around the stems, whatever will work easiest for you. But I kind of wanted to just keep it simple and easy. Next, I wrapped the same twine ribbon used on my tree around the wreath. I tied the twine to the wreath, then loosely wrapped it around the wreath. For this step, take your time. Don't want this twine to be too tight because it'll look strange. Once you're done, tuck the remainder of the ribbon, the twine ribbon, in the knot that you made earlier on. Last but not least, it's time for the lights. I purchased inexpensive battery-operated lights from Hobby Lobby. I'm wrapping them around the wreath just like everything else that I've done here today. Now, the goal for these lights is to keep as many bulbs, if not all, visible so that they're seen the entire time that they're turned on. I use battery-operated because one, I don't have a plug, and 2, it's going to be easy to store this year and pull out next year and just throw batteries in there. So it would just make my life a lot easier. So that's why I'm doing that. Then I'm setting this wreath on a gold charger that I've had forever. I probably got it from Target because I love that place. Then I purchased a candle also from Hobby Lobby. They were all 50% off. I do not like the smell of cinnamon really, so I purchased a red berry candle because I know I love the smell of berries. But I can't really smell these candles that much, so it's neither here nor there, to be honest. But basically, this is how I put together this extremely simple candelabra wreath. Extremely basic, but very cute, and you can do more or you can do less, whichever you can make it work for you. But this is part of my Christmas decor. Guys, have you ever made anything like this? If so, let me know more about it in the comments below. Thank you so much for taking time out today to watch this video. Like this video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this and for the entirety of Vlogmas. See you tomorrow.